Now welcome back. We don't already see how we fit add external CSS files from our local website into this our web page where we dey work on like this. So it get the way where I dey call parentheses, curly braces, and curly braces parentheses for the last video. Make another verse. Wetin we go like look at right now na comments for CSS, how we fit take do am. So obviously, if you dey use VS Code, it did very easy. The way we did it in HTML, now so we go do them for here also. So to create comments, you go just write slash, that's forward slash, this one. Then go put star, that's shift and 8 for my keyboard. And after you press star, now here you go write your comments. So you say write comments here. You go see say you don't already comment everything where they here like this. So that means say this code you're not going to work again, right? So we need to close our comment. So make we close the comment by saying star, now shift and 8 on my keyboard and forward slash again. And you see say now our code don't they show waiting we need the way we could like make it show for here. So make we see how we fit even use this comment to command the code for our web page where we work. So make we test say our web page they work. We're gonna need to go back to our live server or our browser. So click on live server for here if you never clicked on. We go enter inside our browser, and this is say our browser they work as we expect. But if we go back inside VS Code for here, we go see say we fit comment all this code and put them inside the comments. So make we do like that first. Make we add all the code for here. So go down, and then we just kind of like select everything for the bottom all the way to the bottom here. Then we just carry the code, we go paste them inside our comments, all the whole code. When we paste them there, you go see say our code day inside our comment. Make we comment this text here. And now all our code they live inside the comment. All our CSS code they live inside this comment. So when we press save and we go back into the browser, we go see say all the styling it don't come out, all the borders where we get, all the fancy things where we get for our buttons it don't come out because everything they inside a comment. I guess basically that's all we have to think about comments for CSS. Or if you just use them to write notes to yourself, as I explained before, if you just use a writing reminder to yourself or to your teammates or what you want make them do, or you explain what's in this code they do. So make we start today look how we fit even add more selectors to our CSS. But for now, that's all we need to learn. I will see you now for the next video.